First of all, guys, take a quick preview of this video.
Truth is much more uncomfortable. Your biggest problem is comfort. Your brain is not designed to make you successful. It is designed to keep you safe. And safety often looks like staying exactly where you are. Think about it. Every time you try to start something difficult, learning a new skill, going to the gym, building a business, your brain whispers a simple sentence.
All right, guys, now that you've seen the video, let's take a look at this channel. If you open this channel and check its videos, you'll notice something very interesting. One of its popular videos has 3.8 million views, another has 2.9 million views, and another one has 1.2 million views. And the most surprising part is that the channel only has 9 videos uploaded. Yes, only 9 videos. Yet, with just these 9 videos, the channel has gained around 339,000 subscribers. According to Social Blade, if we talk about earnings, this channel has already made around $14,000 in total revenue, and the estimated monthly earnings are around $276. And here's something even more interesting. In the last 13 days alone, the channel has received around 69,000 views. And the crazy thing is that the creator has not uploaded a single video for the past 1 year. Yes, it has been 1 full year without uploading, and the channel still managed to generate around 14K in earnings. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Guys, I have prepared a complete master prompt for you called Viral Stickman Prompts. Inside this prompt, I have added several sections and steps to make everything easy for you. This includes character image prompts, video, prompts YouTube titles, thumbnail ideas, voiceover, scripts, thumbnail text, YouTube description. I have also added a clear output format, so everything generates in an organized way. This means if you want to create channels like this, everything will become extremely easy for you. You won't face any difficulty because the prompt will generate everything automatically. I will also place the master prompt link in the description. All you need to do is copy the prompt, then open ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and click Generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate everything for you in different sections.
Everything will be automatically generated. Now let's move to the first step, which is image generation. Today we will use a free AI tool called Flow AI. So let's go to Flow AI. First, copy the consistent character prompt. Then open Flow AI and click on Create New Project.log in using your Google account. After logging in, you will see an option called Nano Banana Pro. Simply click on Nano Banana Pro, then click on Image, select Portrait, and click Next. Now select the model Nano Banana Pro. It is recommended to use Nano Banana Pro because it generates images faster and more consistently. Now I will upload an example screenshot to maintain character consistency, so the AI understands what kind of character we want. After uploading the example image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the consistent character prompt. Then paste that prompt inside Flow AI. Next, copy scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI as well. Now click Generate. Later in the video, I will show you the final results of all the generated images. First, let me generate all the images. So simply copy the character prompt, paste it again in Flow AI, then copy scene 2 from ChatGPT and click Generate. Now the second image generation has started. After that, go back to ChatGPT again, copy the character prompt, paste it in Flow AI, and generate scene 3. Then do the same process for scene 4. Just paste the character prompt, then go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 4, paste it here, and click Generate. The process remains exactly the same for all scenes. You don't need to change anything, and you can already see the results appearing on the screen. Now guys, here are the final results. All the images have been generated. You can see how beautiful the images look. and the character remains consistent in every image. They look very similar to the images used by the viral channel. Now that our images are ready, the next step is video generation. For video generation, today we will use Grok AI, which is also a free AI tool. And honestly, it generates even better videos than VEO3, sometimes even with sound. Simply log in to Grok AI. After logging in, you will see an option called Imagine. Click on Imagine, then select Video. Now upload the first generated image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video scene prompt. Paste that prompt into Grok AI and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the video generation will start. While it is generating, guys, please support our channel. We work very hard to create these videos, but we don't always get enough response. So please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video, your support really helps. We always bring free AI tools for you. We never force paid tools. Our goal is simple. We want you to earn money using AI. Now, as you can see, the first video scene has been generated, and it looks absolutely amazing. You can also extend the video, but we don't need that because we already have multiple images. So now go back again. Upload the second image, then go to ChatGPT, copy scene 2, paste it into Grok AI, and click Generate. Now the second video generation has started. After a few seconds, the second video will be ready. And as you can see, the second video is now generated, and it looks super smooth and amazing. Now repeat the same process again. Go back, upload the third image, copy scene 3 from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok AI, and click Generate. After a few seconds, the third video will be ready. As you can see, the third video looks great. The character moves away from the comfort path and starts choosing the path of growth. Now repeat the same process for scene 4 and continue until all 10 scenes are generated. Once all videos are ready, the next step is audio generation, which means text-to-speech voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script from section 5. Then open ElevenLabs, which is a powerful AI voice generator. Log into ElevenLabs. It gives you 10,000 free credits. Now paste the voiceover script into the text box. You can slightly adjust the speed settings if needed, but that's optional. Then go to the Voices section and choose any voice you like. I personally prefer the voice called Roger. Now click Generate. Within seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready. Now the final step is video editing. For editing, simply open CapCut.import your voiceover first, then place all your video scenes one by one on the timeline. Adjust the scenes according to the voiceover timing. You can also add transitions between clips to make the video smoother. Once everything is perfectly synced, export the video in 4K resolution. And that's it. Your final video is ready. As you can see, we created this entire video using only free AI tools. If you upload videos like this consistently on a new channel, you'll start seeing your channel grow faster than you expect. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.